Wow. Roar. Huge debris. Huge debris. We're good, Joe. Okay. Okay, stop. I cannot believe my eyes right now. Listen to the roar, guys. Huge debris in the air.
Okay, it's close.
No, we still got time, Joe. We still got time. Hold on. Stay with it. Hold on, we can fly east. Dear God, we might have to. Oh, huge debris in the air. Huge wedge tornado. Did you hear the roar, you guys? It should go just to our north, but shit, it's getting close. Get ready to get on the pedal here, Joe, but not yet. Yep.
What are those people standing there for? Look, there are people standing there.
Yep. This is just like May 3rd. Oh my God. Getting wrapped in rain again. Listen to the roar. One second, Joe.
Those people are going to die.
Yep.